to fix Instagram share list changed problem. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix if Instagram share list name is not showing. The first thing you want to do is open up Play Store. Now you want to tap on this search icon, then tap on the search bar. Now search for Instagram. From the search results, you want to select Instagram over here. Now tap on the update option. Once you tap on update, any bugs in the app will be fixed. Now you can simply launch open Instagram, then check if your problem is fixed. If it is not fixed, you want to tap on the profile icon, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner, scroll all the way down and find the option of help, tap on that. Next, tap on report a problem, tap on report problem. Now tap on include and continue. Now you want to type in that Instagram share list name is not showing. You can also upload any screenshots from here. Then tap on the send option. Now the customer support will help you fix that problem, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.